In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect AvaTrade to TradingView. Now, the first thing you have to do is you have to go to tradingview.com, and then you want to sign into your account or create one in case you don't have one yet. And after that, hover over Products and click on Super Charts. Now in here, inside their super charts here at the bottom left, you want to click on Trading Panel. When this loads up, there we go, click on Trading Panel and then pull this up and it's going to show you a bunch of different brokers. Now you won't be able to see AvaTrade over here because you have to click on Show All Brokers, and then you can scroll down and look for it, or you could just look for it by basically clicking Ctrl and F on your keyboard and then typing in Ava. And as you can see, the only thing that pops up is Ava Futures. So you can't actually connect AvaTrade directly, however you can connect Ava Futures, okay? So if you're using that, click on Ava Futures over here and click on the connect button. It's going to take you to a login page where you have to just sign into your account, click on the sign in button after you type in the credentials, and then you are good to go. So that's how this works. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.